All right. Tell me if you hear that. Do you hear anything? No, yes, no, probably not. Probably not, but I know that Mike's working here. So I don't know. You do hear me. All right, I'm going to try and switch one more thing. Let me switch one more thing real quick. All right. This one supposedly is working, but I don't understand why this one's working and the other one's not. So it doesn't make sense to me, but so be it, right? I can see that the meter's running on here, so now I know it's working. So sorry about that. That's what we do is tinker, and I just tinkered badly. Just kidding. All right, let's go right to talk about Google I/O. What is it? It is basically the developers summit they have every year, introducing new stuff that Google's doing, and everything is based on AI this year. That's pretty much it. They did have some hardware releases and talk about that, so we're going to talk about that as well. So let's go over it real quick. You've probably seen, if you're into tech, you've probably seen many of this already. So I'm going to share with you a screen that I just kind of made up using AI. Just do this very quickly. It's agentic Gemini era. What does agentic mean? For those of you that are out there, basically it's an agent. It's an agent that helps you. It's like Google Assistant, but they just changed the name. I'm just kidding. They had Assistant forever, and there you go. Had key announcements, and that's what we're going to go over. Talk about Gemini Flash. Has a faster engine. It's behind the scenes mostly of what this is talking about. It's a boost to help. They have a whole new setup, a whole new design, set the whole thing up, and they made it happen live yesterday while the event was going on. They actually showed and did examples of it, and you could go to your computer and see it and your phone, etc. They talked about Omni, which is, I've seen some awesome videos already on this, and just watching the live interactive I/O that's still going on. That's what a bunch of developers are there working on this and looking at this and checking this stuff out. Just how you can change the videos and just changing one thing in the video and things like that. It's pretty incredible. It's really incredible, actually. And that's kind of what they're doing, kind of like a nano banana thing for video. And they're calling it Gemini Omni. Super awesome, super cool. Gemini Spark. This is the one that is that background agent. And it works like when you're asleep, like it's always looking for stuff. And the example they used, one of the examples, your favorite sports fan and the tennis shoes. You want to know when they get their new tennis shoes out and something like that, this will keep an eye on that for you. It checks for other things like in your email and things like that, and pauses before any final payments and helping you, keeping you in the loop, getting you ready to buy something if you're looking for something, but always referring to you before it actually does it. But it works for you, so you don't have to. And the last big one was the intelligent eyewear platform. Just two partners, Warby Parker and Monster. They have created glasses, and they're creating glasses, obviously bigger, wider sides, things like that, to hold the battery and go, all that kind of stuff. It's going to be a huge deal, but that's pretty exciting. Some of the demos they were showing, very, very, I think it's a lot of fun. I think it's a good one. And be sure to watch if you want to spend the time, watch a lot of this stuff. And they have demos on this stuff and what they're doing. They restructured all of their this is Google specifically. restructured all of their pricing tiers. They now have a $19, $100, and a $200. They lowered the $250 or $249, whatever it was, down to $200. So you have AI Ultra for developers, and then for enterprise, and just broke it down that way, which is still $100 a month is hard to justify. It just is. I do have a pro tier account, so I guess unless I'm really doing a lot of some of that stuff, creating videos and all that extra stuff, pretty interesting. So it's pretty cool. We'll see. I mean, we'll see what happens. So questions and discussions are now live for developers and partners. Like I said, IO is still going on, so you can go over there, check it out. They have all kinds of stuff that they're doing. They're still staying active with and going over and doing demos, and they call it sandboxing, like you're in a sandbox playing with all the different things and tools and features and all that kind of stuff for developers. So people that develop the apps and that kind of stuff, although they're pretty much going to be going away because you can build your own apps now. It's kind of crazy. It really is. There's so much you can do right now. So there you go. Anyway, that's all I got today. Hey, members, no backstage today because I have to run after this and go take care of something. But I will see you guys tomorrow in the daily tip that we do normally. And good to see everyone. I'm just going to throw some comments up on screen just so I can show you guys. There we go. Yep. See, we're tinkering. Yes. Good. And then it was bad. And then it was good. And then switch back. Oh no. That's when I was going through my sound, whatever reason. I don't understand why this isn't working. Close to glass, she says, go with the flow. Yeah, exactly. Yep. Like human in loop. There you go. So yeah. All right, folks. I appreciate you guys. We will see you tomorrow. Thank you everyone who came and joined today. Always fun, always a blast. We will do it next time too. Appreciate you guys, and we will see you next time. Bye all.